I'm trying to stay alive, but I keep on suffering. My feelings are so strong. I'm trying to move on, but my mind keeps stopping. My heart won't